So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back to my interesting video. And in this video, if you watch this video till end, that you will be successful person in your life. So today's video is very important and also interesting video. And so first of all, you also all are know that first of all you have to subscribe my channel, and after you subscribe my channel you have to press the bell icon. After you press the bell icon and you like, comment and share. So today's video will be very important video, that how you use your brain, like think like education gives you money, how education gives you money. So in this video I am gonna talk about. So today's video will be very important thing. So in this topic I am very thinking at home when I just sat in the table. I just thinking and thinking that what topic I will make a video. Then after I thinking that suddenly idea came that education gives money, how education gives money. Then in this video I'm going to share you that how education helps you. So today's video will be very important. So first of all, now you have to listen what am I saying, what am I trying to say, that after you understand, after you listening, that you will be a successful person and you will learn a very important thing today's video. So now I will tell you that yesterday when I go to my teacher house, yesterday not that Thursday, Friday when I go to my teacher's house. Then when I went to my teacher's house, my teacher will give me a very interesting example, and also I like this example and I am impressed this example. So when said my teacher said that Kunal, like think when you when you walking on the road. So in this time you saw like a five 500 note will fall was fall down in the on the road, and also a book also on fall down on the road. So what is you choose, that how what thing you take. So I thinking and thinking, then I thinking that if I choose the money, so I can buy lot of things, and also lot of important things I can buy. So now I choose the money. And then my teacher said that why you choose the money, and I say this all of the thing, if I get the money, so I will buy this thing, I will eat this thing, I will do this thing. And then after this all of the thing, my teacher will say to me that if you choose the book, if you choose the book, you will be successful person. And I said, how I will be successful person, how I am successful person if I choose the book. Then my teacher says the question answer. So also beautiful answer, my teacher say that if you read this book, you will get knowledge, and after you get knowledge, you can use the knowledge to buy money, to get money, to earn money. So then I thinking and thinking, and then I say to my teacher that my teacher also my grandfather. So that I say that grandfather, if I choose the 500 rupees, so in this time also I can buy 5 books, and then after I buy the 5 books I can read better, and I got a lot of knowledge, a lot of question, a lot of like word I can get. And in this word, if I can practice this word, I can learn better, and then after I learn better, I can use my idea to become a successful person. And my teacher says that yes, also you can also do this. So that is the thing. First of all, you have to use your brain, that automatically money will came to you. Yes guys, because using brain is the one of the most tough thing. We all are the people, we cannot use our brain to do anything, to speak something, to like when somebody came in front of us, we are hesitate that what am I doing now. Like when if the another person say to the different questions, so how I solve, how I say, how I answer the question. So we are just thinking, we are just afraid this all of the thing. So don't worry about that thing. So like I am telling that some courses also motivate yourself, I think. So these are courses. So now I am telling you, this is your question, these are courses. Course also one of the most important thing to like use your brain, that if you can understand the courses, if you can remember the course, if you can remember the courses, if you can understand the meaning of the course, you will be successful person and you can use your brain easily. I take guarantee that if you can read this course, if you can remember this course, that you will be successful person, and you can use it. Like example, like problem is not permanent, but life is permanent. So face the problem with confidence and enjoy your own life. That what is the meaning of the story, meaning of the course. The problem, like we all are have problem, lot of problem, exam problem, money problem, also like a family problems, in society's problem. We have a lot of problem. We have headache in our brain, and our brain was puzzled. We cannot know what thing I can do. Like think that the second course also one of the most important course. Like beautiful day do not come to you, you must work toward them. So that is the thing, that beautiful day do not come to you, must work toward them. So that is the course. Also most important course that I like this course, and also my also all the courses if I all the courses I read, that this is the one of the most important course, that in if you read this course you can feel and you will be motivated in yourself. So number three course also one of the most important and also interesting course. Otherwise now I will tell you this course are also most important course, that the thing is like when you focus on problem you will more problem, that when you focus on possibilities you will have more opportunities. That what is the meaning of the course, like problem, when we focus on our problem we will get more problem. Like when we focus, when we like thinking that the exam will come coming soon, like if I did not read and write, so this is your problem, why you did not read and write, and this thing, that problem will automatically come to you, and you cannot solve the problem, and you are the failure. So that is the thing, that problem, when you focus on problem you will have more problem, that when you focus on your possibilities you will have more opportunities. What is the meaning of this? When you focus on your goal you definitely achieve your goal. Yes guys, like when you thinking that your goal, so your brain was just started working, and then after your brain started working, the your brain suggests you to do this work. So that is it. Now, also as I say, last course as I say, like great mind discuss ideas, average mind discuss event, small mind discuss people. What is the meaning? Great mind who just thinking very good thing. Average mind who just talking about very he just talk about very long time. And small mind who just talk about what the another person doing, what the another person saying. They're just talking about this. So I hope you all understand what I try to say and what is my meaning. So first of all, that use your brain, use the education. That if you use the education, you will earn, you can earn money. So that is it. So if you also my speech is enough. So if you like this videos, also subscribe my channel. After you subscribe my channel, you have to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next more interesting and also important video. Thank you.